Ever wondered why helium, the second lightest element in the universe, behaves differently than other elements under extreme conditions? It's all down to its unique properties. When cooled to near absolute zero temperatures, that's negative 460 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 273 degrees Celsius, helium undergoes a stunning transformation. It becomes a superfluid, able to flow without friction. This is a rare phenomenon that truly sets helium apart from other elements. So how exactly does helium transform into a superfluid? Prepare to have your mind blown. When helium is cooled to near absolute zero temperatures, something magical happens. This isn't an ordinary transformation. It's a leap into the realm of quantum mechanics. By chilling helium to a staggering negative 460 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 273 degrees Celsius, we turn it into a superfluid. Now, what exactly is a superfluid, you might ask? Well, it's a state of matter that behaves in ways that defy our everyday understanding of physics. Most importantly, a superfluid can flow without any friction. Imagine sliding on the slickest ice, but even smoother, even more effortless. That's what it's like for a superfluid. This lack of friction allows superfluid helium to do something extraordinary. It can work against gravity. It can climb up and over the sides of a container, seemingly defying the very laws that govern our world. Helium's transformation into a superfluid is truly a spectacular display of physics. Helium's superfluid properties are nothing short of extraordinary. When chilled to near absolute zero, it flows without friction, defying our everyday understanding of physics. It can climb walls and overflow containers, effectively working against gravity. These fascinating qualities reveal the bizarre behavior of matter at extreme temperatures and challenge our knowledge of the natural world. So there you have it, the amazing superfluid properties of helium, an element that never ceases to surprise us with its extraordinary behavior.